Happy fall, y'all. So this is a bale pumpkin. You can slow this down as slow as you need to and do it in sections. And then we did little bales behind it. What I love about this is based on how large you create these bales I'm creating right now, it'll show depth if they're really small or if they're large. Usually I shade this whole thing and have it all shaded, but I didn't. This is exactly what happened in the live, and I didn't do anything more with the tangle after that. I just left it. A lot of times I'll do like the full shading with it, or sometimes I'll take all the graphite off and watercolor, but in this case, I just left it the way it was. And because I may go back later and put some watercolor behind it. I love how it turned out though. And make sure that throughout your tangling, it's about the journey to the end of the tangle. The tangle's a bonus at the end. So make sure you're breathing, not holding your breath, biting the inside of your cheek, clenching your jaw. This is all about relaxing and getting into the repetitiveness of what you're doing so that your mind has a lovely break from all that's happening in the world. So enjoy. I'm usually live at 7 p.m. Central.